In a recent televised statement, the spokesperson for Rivers Elders Forum, Professor Atuboyeda Obanime, this man is speaking, shed light on the complex political saga involving 27 lawmakers who recently switched political parties from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressives Congress, APC. The ongoing legal dispute has been characterized by a series of intricate court cases that have remained unresolved for over a year. Multiple legal challenges have emerged, questioning the lawmakers' political status, their defection process, and potential by-election replacements. Recent judicial developments have added further complexity to the situation. A federal high court dismissed a suit seeking to replace the lawmakers, while another court simultaneously issued a restraining order preventing them from functioning as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Speaking candidly about the situation, Professor highlighted the seemingly contradictory actions of the lawmakers. In other words, these 27 lawmakers did not only decamp in the assembly, they were received by the APC, they swore to an affidavit in a high court, and they were received by the president, meaning that they have done all the three arms of government and democracy. But we are surprised now. The same people have gone back to the court to say they did not decamp. The other statement further emphasized the prolonged legal uncertainty, stating, "We are surprised," they said, "even if, and in another vein, in another case, they were telling a high court that even if they decamped, their seat should be left for them." Well, as elders, we have seen the drama and we are asking questions. It is in this same state that we found out that people went to court for the court to declare the status of the 27 lawmakers, cases that had been on for the past 1 year and 1 month. No court has given a ruling. The ongoing political drama continues to generate significant interest and speculation about the future of these lawmakers and the broader political landscape in Rivers State. You can imagine. Everybody saw this, koro. They say na lie, say we know they see. Hey. We know they see. People that decamped, they came back again and said they didn't decamp, and some people are telling us that because they were never given APC card, so they didn't decamp. Oh my goodness. Wike and his legislators are unlearned legislative men who love politics without comprehensive knowledge of Nigeria Constitution, who carried away by their master's rascality, thinking neglect of constitution provisions for decamping must be ignored all the time because of Nigerian lapses. Lesson for all. Where is the honor? Once you decamp, you automatically lose your seat. Supreme Court has already decided on that case. Let them go and recontest their seats. It is not a personal seat. They should be removed so that it becomes a lesson for other legislators. The question is that it's not as if they don't know. I don't know. They just think that they can work with impunity. It was just only God, though, that just even pushed them, that made them to make mistake. Let them go and recontest the seats. It is not personal. See how selfish they are. Greedy politicians. They are no longer members of the state assembly for the campaign to another party, and some people are saying they should represent this thing. They are not even talking. I don't understand. Somebody that I used to respect, Libros Oshuma, he was just saying, oh, the governor should represent if he doesn't want trouble, he should represent the 2024 budget to these lawmakers. But he was not talking about, and I was even surprised that even those who were interviewing him, they do not even talk about the position of the lawmakers who have defected. Handiwork of the ruling APC-led government vis-a-vis Wike. Okay, they are ignorantly the campaign is disloyalty to PDP's mandatory influential opportunity to APC structures device wickedness. They are idiotic defected. They were deceived now. They were deceived by Wike. Defected political charlatans who were deceived by their paymasters. It is astonishing that they are going back to eat their own vomit. I am even ashamed that they are not even ashamed of themselves. Somebody say, you're ashamed, they shame me. It is only in Nigeria that you can eat your cake and have it. We hold those truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of self-determination, happiness. Yes, okay, this one is talking about Biafra, Yoruba nation, and only that we have all those Ebades among all of those people as well. They followed Ahab, who stole trillions from Rivers State coffer. On point to, and the thing is really, they are really goofy. They've goofed already, not that they are goofing. And I remember Ugo Chinyere said there was a dinner that was organized, that Wike said that these guys, these lawmakers, did not tell him that they were defecting, that they just went to go and defect. So why coming back to say, oh, they didn't defect? And there was an affidavit that were, done in regards to that. So what would they now tell? What are they still telling us? And a lot of people are really having confidence that because on this matter, I don't understand though, because Nigeria, the more you look, the less you see that the Supreme Court had already ruled on this matter, that once you defect, you have lost your seat. I hope they are not going to bring technicality to all these things, because I think that is where a lot of people are, hoping or drawing strength from, that. Oh, Supreme Court will do the needful. But don't be too deceived, because these guys, they are crooks. They are crooks. We know the crooks who are at the helm of affair of this country. Honestly speaking, they can come up with all manner of technicalities. Of course, a lot of people saw that during the 2023 presidential election, it was just a big blow. A lot of people were devastated. So guys, but let's keep our finger crossed and see what happens at the end of the day. Leave your comment down there below and let us have your take.